Hello guys, in this video I'll show you Microsoft 365 plus Copilot AI student plan. They are offering a 50% discount for all college, university and school going students. So simply type Microsoft 365 student plan. So the very first link which appears right here, this is their official website and they're offering it for totally free for 12 months. If your school university is verified, you can log in with your own institution or student email address. This is get started with Office 365. They also have the student plan where you get 50% of discount. So get started for institutions. So this is the landing page where you sign up with your. So here you will enter your email address. This needs to be the school email address which university have assigned you. If your school university is accepted or eligible, then you will get 12 months of free Microsoft 365. So here, right here, you actually enter the email address. Then it will create the account and confirm the actual package. You will get Microsoft 365 with all the apps and Copilot. And the second link is specifically for students, college going students, university going students. So right here, you can get 50% discount of Microsoft 365. These are all the deals which are there. So basically get ultimate student bundle. So buy a select Surface and get 1 year of Microsoft 365 Premium. So these are some of the offers you can check out, but this one is 50% off. You click on that. So as you see, students save 50% of Microsoft 365 personal. So right here, if you don't have an account, simply click sign up. I've already logged in with my Microsoft account right here. So if you are a student, they will verify you. So as you see guys, now they are offering it at 339 rupees per month. So this is the Indian price. In US, it will be 50% off. And right here, student discount as you see has been enabled. By default, the price is 650 rupees, but they're offering for specifically for students 339 rupees, which is roughly $4 per month. And you click the next button, and right here you need to add a credit or debit card for actually confirming the subscription. So you just need to add this to complete the payment. So just add your credit or debit card number. Simply fill out all these details: state, city, address, CVV number, expiration date, card holder name, card number. Select the country, postal code, state, everything, and click on save. And this will simply complete the payment. 339 rupees it will charge you per month. So this is complete 50% discount. And before payment, you can even ask to a live expert as well. Simply open the chat window and directly, if you have some questions, you can actually clarify with the live agent. Just ask your questions. So they have this live chat support where you can ask questions. So this is an official offer by Microsoft. They are offering this 50% discount for students only. And if you have a specific email such as your university email, Google school going email, you can directly log in. If your institution is verified, then you can get this for 12 months totally for free. So if you have a personal account, then you can simply. So this is the official way by which you can activate and get this offer. So right here you will see this. So definitely check this out. This is a discount that they're offering it